how a $1,000 investment has been able to net me over 50,000 US dollars per year just by doing this one thing. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. Now, this $1,000 investment, I'm going to tell you guys right now, it's not stocks, it's not crypto, it's not real estate, it's not some sort of fund that I invested into. What this $1,000 investment was, it's investing in like-minded groups of people who are with me that can push me to a different trajectory for a better way of thinking about things in life. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, it's just mumbo jumbo. You're going to be with all these people, but they're always in the beginning. And if they're doing the same thing as you, you're basically learning from someone that's the same as you. So you're basically tricking yourself, right? Kind of. But with that being said, I'm going to tell you what the difference was with my $1,000 investment versus another person who made the same $1,000 investment and they're still kind of in the same place. The difference is my $1,000 investment that I made with the group that I was in was that group just first started. So I was one of the first pioneer people that got into the group. I was one of the first people that was able to introduce myself in the group, and I knew all those videos in that group were recorded. So I networked with everyone there. I didn't care if you were a startup business, you were established, you were a multimillionaire, for making videos with other individuals in the group in Filipino, because I speak Filipino, to telling people what they should do when they're trading out of a lease. All these things, I was trying to provide as much value as possible. I was the go-to guy. I wanted to be known as the guy that people go to if they need to ask a question. And that's what I did. And guess what happened? Once I was able to come up with a business proposal, I had 4 or 5 people at the door who wanted my service. I was able to charge a premium because I knew what I brought to the table. And I knew how much money I was bringing to the table. And that is the reason why that $1,000 investment has netted me over 50,000 US dollars per year. And it continues to do so. All because of relationship, all because of value. Now, the problem with most people is when they join groups like this, they're too shy. Oh, I don't know if I can provide value to these people. Guys, stop. You can provide value to anybody. You have lived a life already up until this point. You must know something that makes you different from other people. You must bring some sort of skill set that other people might not be the best at. And if you don't yet, well, ladies and gentlemen, life is not over. You still have time to learn a specific skill set that will provide value. For myself specifically, it's been sales and marketing. So if you guys ever need assistance in establishing done-for-you training modules for onboarding salespeople to increase the productivity from day one, hit your boy up in the emails below. And with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.